Alright guys, we're getting ready to go to Treasure Island and go to Ocean Beach, and we're gonna do a bonfire in San Francisco, and this is gonna be awesome. I got my new setup. It's gonna be tight on the truck. This is gonna be pretty cool. Alright, I'll see you guys in the field. What? Okay, we're at my friend's house and we're just getting ready. Crap. Jared, is it unlocked?
Yeah.
Sure? It's not opening.
If the knob is turned, it won't unlock.
Yeah, I didn't think it was unlocked. Yeah, it wasn't. I knew it.
Well, only because
See?
the knob was turned.
Alright, so we're getting ready to go. We're gonna be heading out to San Francisco. You're gonna see a little time lapse in my video, maybe on the vlog channel. I'm not sure. I'll have to set that up. I don't know. Alright guys, see ya in a few. So we're organizing the back of this trunk. That's what we're gonna do. This is what Jared. Sure. What's up, man? Pretty good. This is Andrew. Yeah, Andrew, cool kid.
I think you're
right here.
Pretty squish. Yeah, I forget the crackers. Here's some emergency food.
That's right. Just in case. You never know earthquake's gonna happen.
Mm-hmm. Dang, you're hecka good. So I finally got some gloves for the rope.
Uh-huh.
And I also got a mask. You gotta keep your identity hidden. Oh, is that recording me right
It's
now?
Batman. Yeah.
Yeah, you wanna see it?
Yeah. I'm gonna have to switch this to my right.
Boom and
that's pretty tight.
feel these. You feel like you could be Spider-Man with these kind of gloves. Feel how tough that is.
Have you tried them out?
I haven't.
No.
Here goes Joshua.
Alright.
Joshua, say what's up with the camera.
Oh, hey, what's up, y'all?
There we
goes
go.
Joshua.
Oh.
Alright guys, we just made it to Ocean Beach. We're in San Francisco now. Yeah. We're at the Crazies. We're gonna go find Felice Johnson.
Why do you keep on saying police? It's police.
I don't know his name. I don't care. I don't care about that. Police or whatever.
No, not say police.
Police.
There we go. Police.
Okay. That's,
Police.
I don't know. I'm gonna still
It's
call
not like
him.
saying police. It's police.
We're gonna have a bonfire.
You're not cold?
No, I'm not actually cold. It's actually pretty comfortable. It's
You're a true northern boy.
yeah, I am. It's cloudy or foggy, I should say. Oh, I was about to go. That would be good.
What time is it?
Almost person right there.
Yep.
All right, let's check this out.
You saw that Snapchat where like heat in the background?
It's starting to get dark. So that's not good. You guys are not going to be able to see.
I'm gonna tell you, he tastes like the most obvious blunt thing. It's dark, guys. It's been dark for like 3 hours.
I wish I could show you guys what it's like.
Yeah, that's for the third.
That's nasty. There's like or something. Who knows? Usually, all the bonfires are to the right of us. And I don't think I see one person. I think we're gonna have a party tonight. Oh, there's one. There's one. I see. Wait, what kind of thing?
Something on 4 legs.
4 legs. Not a mermaid? Okay.
And it started chasing us.
Hey man, I'll be gone. I'll be gone. I'll leave you guys behind. I'm sorry.
Not leaving.
No, I'll be with you. It's pretty nice. I think we had the whole beach to ourselves tonight. Ooh, what's that? Whoa, 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 whoa. What's that?
Oh, it's just fire.
Oh, fine.
Fire chips.
Ooh, sweet.
I see a couple people down that way.
Down that way?
You ever seen with the Mexican kid, but he looked like, but his skin was white. His name was Enrique. At Purple High. That chick? He had like curled back hair. He always just goes.
I'm gonna end this vlog until something exciting happens.
Your chest is warm.
Hey
your
guys,
whole body
what's
will
up?
take care of
I'm
What's
vlogging. I'm
I thought you
vlogging
said
every
that.
day in the ocean.
This man, look how many beers this man has had. Look at all of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hey, what's up? My name is Andrew. My hair look good. But anyways,
I haven't had that many.
you didn't
I
let
only
me
had
finish.
3.
You interrupted me.
I'm sorry.
Oh, I was just gonna say, hey, what's up?
What's Jerry? You want to say
know.
something?
It's a pretty nice night. Having a fire on the beach, Ocean Beach, in San Francisco, everyone. And having corn nuts.
Yo.
Yeah, corn nuts right here.
Josh, want to say something?
Quit acting like you don't know.
Yeah, you heard the man. Yeah. So we're just chilling by the fire. I had some drinks. That's not all mine. Trust me. I haven't had that many. I only had 1. JK. Just joking. What was that?
I don't shiver. Are you videotaping me?
Yeah.
Did you
he
give out
just got,
shiver?
I think so. I don't know. He just got cold.
I mean, cause my whole front side is warm, but my back side is chilly chill.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, chilly chill. I'm trying to make up like cool slang, you know.
Mm-hmm.
That's so fetch.
I can go to sleep right here.
Mean Girls reference.
Me too.
If I was home.
I would be doing this all the time if I was homeless.
You want
Where the,
on there? Shit.
Hmm?
Oh, never mind.
What?
Nothing.
I don't know. It doesn't seem that
What
dark
did you just
anymore.
say?
Like
I
you
don't
can
know
see
what you
everything
said.
now.
Right.
I'm feeling
It's
good,
like a
guys.
weird. I'm feeling pretty good too. I'm glad we did this.
Yeah, I'm glad too. Thanks, Andrew.
Text you when you get there or something?
Oh yeah, I forgot.
This boy. Mm-mm-mm.
Fine, I'll do it. I'll text my mom.
Hey, Mom. Mom, we're totally safe. Hey, did you ever text your mom?
No.
Wow, that's what he just said.
I'm gonna do it right now. She said, "Be back home by 11." It's 12. It's 12 o'clock right now.
We left at like what?
Like 11.
It wasn't even 10 yet. I don't think. It was like very close.
Really?
To 10.
No. Oh yeah,
Way
because
off.
his clock was way off.
Yeah, I said 11 on the
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm feeling good. I'm really I do miss Minnesota, guys. So.
Oh, this
in
is for them?
Wisconsin. No, that's just for my vlog.
Oh, you have a vlog.
Yeah.
Yeah.